Located right on the Barrington harborfront, this mid-century architect-designed residence overlooks the boating activity from its beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. Entertain in the combined living room and dining room, where oversized panoramic windows and glass sliders provide unobstructed views of the harbor. Enjoy drinks from the wet bar and relax in the den with built-in shelving or walk out to the patio. Peer out to the water from the open kitchen with granite counters adjacent to a 2-story addition ready to be finished to your specifications with the same grand views. The bedroom wing at the back of the home faces the private gardens and features 3 bedrooms, including the master suite. The stone patio is surrounded by mature plantings, allowing you to dine or soak in the hot tub in privacy while listening to the sounds of the harbor. Boating enthusiasts will appreciate the private deepwater dock that is perpendicular from the shoreline, making both sides into 85 feet of usable dock space with power and fresh water. Sail majestic Narragansett Bay and beyond to the islands of Nantucket and Block Island, or even further still, and explore the Atlantic. When on land, you can take a quick stroll to the town center and do some shopping or visit the local library. The East Bay Bike Path takes you from Bristol to Providence, or you can take advantage of the facilities at the Bayside YMCA. Barrington is home to an award-winning school system, and the CVS Charity Classic takes place in town at the Rhode Island Country Club. Barrington is a quiet seaside community 20 minutes from downtown Providence and its commuter rail and the renowned arts and culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Marlene Manchester at area code 401-465-5317.